let's get into the middle. Ooh, look at how easy you slice, just like butter. Look at this. Oh, look at all those juices. Oh man, look at that smoke ring, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue.
Oh yes!
Man, I'd be lying if I didn't miss you guys, and I know you guys be lying if you didn't miss me. But man, for the last 3 months, it's been really hectic and busy, guys. But let me explain what's been happening. 1, I've been busy with family. 2, I've been busy with work. And 3, I've been busy with church. So man, now that I have a little bit more downtime, and thank God, thank praise Jesus that I have a little bit more downtime, I'm able to do what I love to do, and that's produce some beautiful barbecue, not just for me, but for you.
Barbecue.
And guys, let's take a sneak peek in what I got going on in here, guys. Take a look at that. Yes, sir. I got a fully packed brisket that has been smoking for the last hour and a half, and that aroma that's hitting off this Pitfalls Pro Series 850 with that, that classic blend. Oh my God, it's coming. It's lifting me up, man. My senses are going up, and I can't wait. My mouth is watering, and I can't wait for the finished product. So I can't even wait to carve it up because I'm dying for the best part of the video, which is what? The taste testing, man. But speaking of slicing it up and doing the taste testing, guys, this video is sponsored by Nakano Nas. Man, this company, which is nakanonas.com, you guys got to go check them out, guys. This company took their time. They did the research. They did the trials and error. They did years of trying to perfect a beautiful knife that is going to be strong, stable, and sharp, and staying sharp for a long period of time. And this company produced a blade that is amazing. 2, the handle part. The handle is the most crucial part of being comfortable as a chef or as a sous chef. Anybody that's able to cut or slice anything, even an amateur like me that can use that in the kitchen or outdoors. Guys, this knife alone is gonna bring up your arsenal game in the cutting world. So are you looking for that perfect cut briskets to ribs to the perfectly sliced steak? Nakano Nas is where it needs to be. So guys, check out nakanonas.com. And matter of fact, the company asked me, what can I do for my viewers to have that personal, knife in their hands? Well, I said they're gonna need a discount. So guess what, guys? They gave me an opportunity to get that discount for you. So all you have to do is go to nakanonas.com. In the section where it says enter promo code, all you have to enter is my channel name, Smoking Jazz Barbecue. That is it, and you get 20% off. Remember, Smoking Jazz without the G, Jazz BBQ, and you'll get 20% off. Now guys, I'm putting my stamp on this product because I believe in this product. I have used it, and man, it is amazing. I'm telling you, the stability and the comfortableness and the sharpness this knife produces, it's gonna be blown out this world. Trust me when I tell you. Check them out, nakanonas.com. Guys, going into my second segue, guys. With this being said, that I've been busy trying to, get extra time to barbecue, guys, if you will, I'm asking for donations. I'm asking you to be sponsorships. So I'm asking you to be part of my membership that I'm gonna have coming up. And ways for you guys to give, it's gonna be linked below in the description box on how to give or how to donate. And guys, we're gonna have memberships for you guys so you can have access to more videos, to more personal time with me. And we got an ebook coming out real soon, guys, so stay tuned for that. So guys, in the meantime, I gotta get back to this video because or this brisket, I should say, because it's calling my name. So guys, take this journey with me because, oh man, my mouth is still watering. I'm losing my words. My boys are here with me, and it's time to get back to what I love doing best, which is barbecue. Power on. Open lid. Wait for rolling smoke. Close lid. Crank temperatures 250 degrees. Set temperature. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about 250 steadily for about 15 minutes at this point, and let's take a look at our brisket that we seasoned last night. Man, oh man, take a look at this beauty right here. She is ready to go in here. All right, guys, we're just gonna place her right here in the center and let all that good smoke penetrate this beauty, and we'll see her in a couple hours. We might spritz in the meanwhile between the first hour or so, but let's see how it goes. Alright guys, we've been fluctuating between 249 to 251 as you just saw. It's been about an hour and a half at this point. Let's take a look at our brisket. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. She is looking amazing. So I'm just going to give it a little spritz here just to moisten her up. And also what this is going to do is attract smoke and give her more smoke flavor. The wetter it is, the more smoke is going to adhere. So remember not to drown it, but just to wet it enough to get enough smoke to adhere to this brisket. Oh man, she's looking good, guys. I'm going to close and check back in the next couple hours or so, and we're going to see how she's rock and rolling. All right, folks, it's been exactly 4.5 hours. Let's take a look at our brisket. Look at this beauty right here. Oh man. Since our last video, guys, I did flip this bad boy around just to get an even coating of that smoke and even distribution of heat. But man, she is looking beautiful. So, time to spritz again. Look at that beautiful color. Oh man, this is some on the back. Oh yeah, this is looking amazing. And guys, I'm just gonna do a quick temperature check with you guys. Sorry about that. Oh man, this is looking amazing. Let's take a look at our temperature right down in the center, and we're looking at about 137 and climbing. So let's say about 138, guys. So we still got a little bit more to go. We're gonna close this lid, let it do its magic, and we'll come back and check it. By the time for the temperature that I'm looking for is about 165, and we're gonna wrap it up, and let's see how it goes, guys. So this is Mother Nature, ladies and gentlemen. A quick rainstorm came through, so that's why my smoker is underneath my gazebo. So let's go check to see what she looks like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been exactly 7 hours. I went and did the liberty of pulling it off at 165 to save you some time on this video. I wrapped it up in some butcher's paper. It's been on the smoker for the last 2.5 hours. And let's take a gander where she's at right now. Take a look. I'm looking for the magic number, guys. 205. You know me. That's my magic number. It's climbing. All right. Come on, baby. Come on. Almost there, guys. 205. There we go. So, guys, I'm gonna pull this off, wrap it up in some beach towels, and let it rest for a good hour. And then we're gonna slice and dice, and the best part's coming up, which is the taste testing, guys. Woo, baby! I can't wait.
One eternity later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been that dreadful time frame where you gotta wait at least an hour or two just to get to this result. So look at this. This is the jiggly effect that you want right now. That means it's done. That means it's ready to eat. That means it's ready to be sliced. Speaking of ready to slice, this is the knife that I was referring to. Make sure you go to NakandoKnives.com. Get 20% off once you enter that promo code Smoking Jazz Barbecue. But without further ado, this is the best part of the video, which is what? The taste testing. So let's slice into this and let's see what she looks like. All right, guys, so this is the best thing of this brisket. It started with a 9-pound brisket. Now it looks like about a 6 to 7 pound brisket, but let's get into the middle. Ooh, look at how easy you slice, just like butter. Look at this. Oh, look at all those juices. Oh man, look at that smoke ring, guys. This is what I'm talking about right there. Let's slice this up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this bend test. This is what you want, the bend test. See how jiggly it is? Oh man, look at the pool test, guys. It's literally breaking apart. This is what I'm after. This is it, guys. This is it. All right, guys, so let's get to this. Look at that smoke ring. Look at that. I'm just getting a little small piece, but just for the taste of it, look at that. Wow. Homemade brisket. It's literally melting in my mouth. Not over seasoned, not overpowered. This is the perfect blend of how we doing this. Just a quick recap, guys. Man, this is delicious. I gotta get another bite. Look at that. Wow. Just another bite, guys. I can't help it. Delicious. Wow. Just like butter, melts in your mouth. Guys, a quick recap. All we did, we took the brisket. It was a 9-pound brisket. We trimmed it down and took about maybe 1.5 pounds off of that extra fat. You can do whatever you want with that fat. You can turn it into, into some burgers with that fat, and do whatever you want with that fat. It's going to be delicious once you get into that grinding process. So we took that brisket and then we got a 1/4 inch of fat on top of it. All we did was season with some Pit Boss Java Chop House and the Pit Boss Smoke Competition. Oh man, perfect blend of marriage of flavors that are infused into this brisket right here. And we smoked it for about a good 7 hours, 6 to 7 hours, let it rest for about 2 hours, and this is the result of what you get of how to do a homemade brisket. So guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Share this video with all your family and friends. Like I said earlier in the video, make sure you go check out NakanoNaz.com. Enter that promo code Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And like I said earlier, guys, there's plenty of ways you can donate to my channel to become a member, and you can see the link down below, which I'm gonna have. And then don't forget that ebook is coming out real soon, guys, so look forward to that, and I'll see you guys real soon in the next video. This is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.